Hey peeps, Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on to 4.3 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1. This is a nice and quick question that deals with probability. It says the probability of men having plastic surgery is 1 out of 9, and the probability of a procedure being done, a skin and hair procedures, is 14 out of 25. Determine the probability that a person randomly chosen from a list of people is a male, so they've told us it's men, is a male and has had a skin procedure, and they've told us the probability of having a skin procedure is 14 out of 25. So for probability, it's the probability of being male and having it being a skin procedure equals, so because it's the and probability, we have to multiply the two probabilities together. So this is 1 out of 9 chance of being of a male, and we multiply that probability by 14 out of 25. And then we have to put this into our calculators, and we get that this equals 14 out of 225. So that's what we get out, and that is our total probability. So remember, if it is asking us, then keep the key word here is that what is the probability that it was a male, that a male had a skin procedure. So this means it's an and operation. If it said if the probability of it being male or a skin procedure, we then add the probabilities. So just remember, when it needs both categories to be fulfilled, we multiply it. When it's one or the other, then we add them together. And that concludes this question. Very quick. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.